Number 1. Which of the following retractors are not commonly used for abdominal surgery? Option A. Jawl's retractor. B. Deaver's retractor. C. Morris retractor. D. Thomson retractor. Right option number A. Number 2. Which of the following instruments or equipment cannot be sterilized by autoclave? Option A. Proctoscope. B. Flexum-Tollett tube. C. Artery forceps. D. Metzenbaum scissors. Right option number B. Number 3. Which of the following suture material is having longest half-life? Option A. Catgut. B. Vicryl. C. PDS. D. Praline. Right option number D. Number 4. Gray color injection port cap of IV cannula represents which of the following? Option A. 14G. B. 16G. C. 18G. D. 20G. Right option number B. Number 5. Which of the following vein is not used for peripheral cannulation? Option A. Cubital vein. B. Saphenous vein. C. External jugular vein. D. Subclavian vein. Right option number D. Number 6. Which of the following is the preferred technique for part preparation before surgery? Option A. Shaving. B. Trimming. C. Vaccine. D. None. Right option number B. Number 7. Antibiotic prophylaxis in surgical patients is recommended at option A. 1 hour before incision. B. 6 hours before surgery. C. 12 hours before surgery. D. During surgery. Right option number A. Number 8. Surgical specimen for frozen section examination should be sent in which solution? Option A. Without any preservative solution. B. Formalin. C. Normal saline. D. Chlorhexidine. Right option number A. Number 9. During laparoscopic surgery intra-abdominal pressure should be kept at what value? Option A. Less than 10 mm of Hg. B. 10 to 15 mm of Hg. C. 15 to 20 mm of Hg. D. Greater than 20 mm of Hg. Right option number B. Number 10. Succinylcholine is not given to. Option A. Difficult airway cases. B. Obese patients chronic disease. C. Burn patients. D. Obstetrics patients. Right option number C. Number 11. Which of the following is not a part of WHO surgical safety checklist? Option A. Sign in. B. Sign out. C. Time in. D. Time out. Right option number C. Number 12. Which of the following disposable bag is used for the infectious body waste disposal? Option A. Red. B. Green kitschist. C. Yellow. D. Black. Right option number C. Number 13. Which of the following solution is used for fumigation of operation theaters? Option A. 10% formaldehyde. B. 20% formaldehyde. C. 40% formaldehyde. D. 50% formaldehyde. Right option number C. Number 14. Abdominoperineal resection, April, is performed in which position? Remove of. Option A. Trendelenburg. B. Reverse Trendelenburg. C. Lithotomy. D. Lateral position. Right option number C. Number 15. Sim speculum is used for. Option A. Anal examination. B. Oral examination. C. Vaginal examination. D. Ear examination. Right option number C. Number 16. Most common technique of breast lump biopsy is. Option A. Incisional biopsy. B. Excisional biopsy. C. Core biopsy. D. Punch biopsy. Right option number C. Number 17. Ideally, a major surgery should be performed when INR is international normalized. Option A. Less than 1. B. In between 1 to 1.5. C. More than 2. D. In between 1.5 minus 2.0. Right option number B. Number 18. Ringer lactate is contraindicated in patients with. Option A. Pediatric patients. B. Obstetric patients. C. Head injury patients. D. Geriatric patients. Right option number C. Number 19. Which of the following process does not kill bacterial spores? Option A. Hot air sterilization. B. Incineration bulm waste. C. Pasteurization. D. Autoclave. Right option number C. Number 20. Sitz bath consist of which of the following substance? Option A. Patient bathed in normal saline. B. Bathed in molten wax. C. Sits in basin containing warm antiseptic. D. Sits in basin containing molten wax. Right option number C. Number 21. Sterilized packs are most likely to become contaminated after how much duration? Option A. After 30 days. B. After 60 days. C. Within the first hour of sterilization. D. Within the first day of sterilization. Right option number C. Number 22. Which of the following is the ideal time for the removal of scalp suture? Option A. 3 days. B. 5 days. C. 7 days. D. 10 days. Right option number D. Number 23. Which of the following is a delayed absorbable synthetic suture material? Option A. Chromic catgut. B. Vicryl. C. Silk. D. Nylon. Right option number B. Number 24. Collection of extravasated blood trapped in the tissues or in an organ resulting from incomplete hemostasis after surgery or injury. Option A. Cellulitis. B. Evisceration. C. Extravasation. D. Hematoma. Right option number D. Number 25. When changing a sterile dry dressing, which of the following is a proper way of cleaning a wound? Option A. Cleanse wound and surrounding area with regular swab, starting from incision and moving outward, using 1 stroke per swab. B. Cleanse wound and surrounding area with antiseptic swab, starting from incision and moving outward, using 1 stroke per swab. C. Cleanse wound and surrounding area with alcohol, starting from incision and moving outward. D. Cleanse wound and surrounding area with antiseptic swab, starting from the edges of the wound towards the incision. Right option number A. Number 26. How often should theater lights be cleaned? Option A. Daily. B. Between patients. C. Weekly. D. Monthly. Right option number D. Number 27. Window dressing is. Option A. A dressing through a gap made on a plaster. B. Interval dressing for burns wound. C. In absence of light, when dressing done by the side of a window. D. Clean dressing with a gap in lower end for drainage of fluids. Right option number A. Number 28. Which of the following is most effective for sterilizing odd gown and blunt instrument? Option A. Chlorine. B. Ethylene oxide. C. Autoclave. D. Glutaraldehyde. Right option number C. Number 29. Which of the following is not true about surgical needles? Option A. Blunt needles and sharp needles. B. Round-bodied and cutting. C. Reverse cutting. D. Metallic or synthetic. Right option number D. Number 30. Wound healing is worst at. Option A. Neck. B. Eyelid. C. Lips. D. Sternum. Right option number D. Number 31. Most common benign soft tissue tumor is. Option A. Lipoma. C. Hamartoma. B. Fibroma. D. Leiomyoma. Right option number A. Number 32. Commando operation done for rec mandibulectomy puller. Option A. Oral cancer. B. Brain tumor. C. Bone tumor. D. Abdominal cancer. Right option number A. Number 33. Most common blood group is. Option A. B+, B, A+, C, O+, D, AB+. Right option number C. Number 34. Who introduced catgut suture in surgery? Option A. Astley Cooper. B. Lord Lister. C. Sim. D. John Hunter. Right option number D. Number 35. Wertheim's surgery in cancer done for. Option A. Cervix cancer. B. Endometrial cancer. C. Ovarian cancer. D. Vulval cancer. Right option number A. Number 36. An example of ball and socket joint is. Option A. Elbow. C. Knee. B. Shoulder. D. Ankle. Right option number B. Number 37. What is position of camera assistant in laparoscopic cholecystectomy? Option A. Right side of patient. B. Left side of patient. C. Head end of patient. D. In between legs. Right option number B. Number 38. The most commonly used blade for intraoral incisions is. Option A. Blade number 10. B. Blade number 11. C. Blade number 12. D. Blade number 15. Right option number D. Number 39. Most common site to take split thickness skin graft is. Option A. Thigh. B. Inguinal crease. C. Back. D. Forearm. Right option A. Number 40. Buckwalter retractor system used in. Option A. Abdominal surgery. B. Neurosurgery. C. Head and neck surgery. D. Bone surgery. Right option A. Number 41. Pressure inside a full oxygen cylinder and full nitrous oxide cylinder is, respectively. Option A. 2200 and 1000 psig. B. 1000 and 2000 psig. C. 2750 psig. D. 1600 psig. Right option C. Number 42. AMBU stands for. Option A. Anesthesia machine breathing unit. B. Artificial mandatory breathing unit. C. Automated machine breathing unit. D. Artificial manual breathing unit. Right option D. Number 43. Pin index safety system used in anesthesia machine. Option A. To attach any gas cylinder in any yoke assembly. B. To release cylinder when needed. C. To hold cylinder securely. D. To prevent incorrect cylinder attachment. Right option D. Number 44. Mannitol is given in head injury patient to. Option A. To reduce intracranial pressure. B. To increase urine output. C. To stop bleeding. D. For protection of brain and spinal cord. Right option A. Number 45. Sidex has which component? Option A. 10% povidone iodine. B. 2% glutaraldehyde. C. 4% sodium hypochlorite. D. 2% bleaching powder. Right option B. Number 46. Protamine sulfate is antidote of. Option A. Insulin. B. Heparin. C. Aspirin. D. Thrombin. Right option B. Number 47. Appropriate negative pressure in suction machine is. Option A. 50,100 mm of mercury. B. 200,300 mm of mercury. C. 400,700 mm of mercury. D. 1,200 mm of mercury. Right option A. Number 48. Temperature of operating room should be. Option A. 10 to 15 degrees centigrade. B. 15 to 20 degrees centigrade. C. 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. D. 25 to 30 degrees centigrade. Right option C. Number 49. Which of the following is not a contraindication of giving spinal anesthesia? Option A. Head injury. B. Coagulopathy. C. Patient refusal. D. Old age. Right option D. Number 50. Pin index for nitrous oxide, air, oxygen is respectively. Option A. 1, 5 halves, 5 thirds, 5 respectively. B. 2, 5 thirds, 5/1, 5 respectively. C. 3, 5/1, 5 halves, 5 respectively. D. 4, 5/1, 5 halves, 5 respectively. Right option, C. It took a lot of effort to make the video, so I would like to request everyone to like and subscribe if you find the video helpful. And please comment and share how you like the video.